Bye-bye fat pads. 10 surefire tricks to get slimmer without starving. Even if you can only implement part of it, you will definitely lose weight. Fat-burning tip number 1. Goodbye sugary drinks. Throw out cola, juices, and lemonade. Even apple spritzer, coffee and tea without sugar are your new best friends forever. When it gets tough, think about swimsuit season. Better to melt the fat away than to starve. Right? Fat-burning tip number 2. Drink water. 2 to 3 liters per day is great. For an extra kick and some flavor, a splash of lemon. Much better than starving, right? Fat-burning tip number 3. Goodbye white bread. White bread, cookies, and pastries are now officially your arch-enemies. Whole grain products are the new buddies. The main thing is you see the grains. Otherwise, it's just a cheat. Whole grains instead of starving, right? Fat-burning tip number 4. Carbs in the afternoon. No thanks. After 4 p.m., it's a carb break. Goodbye, pasta, rice, and bread. Hello, veggie party. Much better than a belly, right? Fat-burning tip number 5. No more elevators. Stairs are the trump card. Your smartphone counts the steps, so get moving. And after work, a walk in the fresh air instead of a remote control workout. More movement instead of starving. Or fat-burning tip number 6. Sport is fun. Sport can really be fun. A bit of exercise every other day. It doesn't have to be at the gym. 3 sets of planks, squats, and push-ups would be great. It takes 10-15 minutes and brings a lot in the long run. Stronger muscles burn more energy. Fit and feeling good instead of starving, right? Fat-burning tip number 7. Use the turbo for your metabolism. Green tea, strong coffee, and a metabolism booster for day and night will get your fat burning into high gear. Better to boost your metabolism than to starve, right? Here's the link to the metabolism booster if you need it. www.stimio.com. Fat-burning tip number 8. Proteins rock. Proteins. 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 The more of these protein bombs on your plate, the better. From chicken to lentils, the choice is huge. You can download the complete list. The link is in the description. More proteins instead of starving, right? Fat-burning tip number 9. The glycemic index, your new buddy. High-value foods are now off the list. Too much sugar in the blood is the start of the fat rolls. Eat smart instead of starving, right? You can download the complete list using the link in the video description. Fat-burning tip number 10. The cheat day. Once a week, you can go all out and indulge in all your sins. Better than starving all the time, right? Here is the discount code for Stimio's Metabolism Booster and the link that helps you lose weight. www.stimio.com.